everyone, and welcome to a very quick tutorial on how to take your image or whatever design you've created in Cricut Design Space and actually put it into Canva. This is good for using any other software as well, so if you want to take the image that you've created in Design Space and add it to Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or whatever else that you want to use, it's not hard to do at all, and it's not as impossible as we thought it was. Now here I have a design. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your saving settings are like so. So click the three lines after you've made your design, of course, where it says Canvas. Click the three lines and go down to your settings. Once you're in settings, you want to ensure that saving for offline is not just cloud only. You want to ensure, no matter what device you're on, that it's saved as cloud and computer. Click Done. From there, you're going to save your illustration, your design. Save as. Mine's already saved, but we'll just put it as number 1. Save it. And the bonus with Cricut Design Space is it does tell you when your files have been saved. So here at the top in the blue, project saved. Your project Design Space test number 1 was saved successfully. Now from there, you're going to go into your actual computer. So you're going to click where your computer is, where all your files are and your folders. You're going to go to where your operating system is, where your hard drive is that saves all of your files and everything. So mine is under OS, which is operating system. Yours might say Windows, it might say Apple, but this is basically the C drive, is where your files and folders are saved onto your device. Now from there, I'm going to go all the way down to users. Where my users are, there are several, and my files are saved under parents. From there, so for example, it would be closed. I would click users. Users would open, go to parents, and again, your file may have your name on it. It may have a bunch of different things. I don't know what you save your stuff under, but once you click whatever file, and you can play around till you find it, you're looking for Cricut Design Space. Double click on that. So once again, wherever your files are saved under users, just click around until you can find Cricut Design Space, or you can type it into the search engine here, the search bar, and it would be .cricut-design-space. That's what you want to type in if you can't find it directly. So once you're in your Cricut Design Space folder, you're going to click Local Data. From there, Design Space does not save under Design Space. It saves under a number. So I'm going to click that number, and from there I want to go to Canvas. Reason being is because I've saved my images to a canvas on Cricut Design Space. I'm going to double click that, and from there, as I said, there are only numbers. It's not going to show me that it's a Cricut Design Space test number 1. It's going to show me a bunch of numbers, but I remember that I saved it today, July 2nd. So I'm going to scroll all the way down, and it says here 2023-07-02, and I saved it about 2 minutes ago. So this is the number that I'm looking for. I'm going to double click on it, and from there I'm going to hit preview. From preview, there you have it. There's the image I have in Cricut Design Space. I will right click on that and save it as, and from there again I will just call it Design Space test number 1. I'm going to save it. I will close this screen. Now on my computer, I will go up to my downloads, and now it's actually on my computer. So it is previously on my computer, but it's in an invisible file within the program of Cricut Design Space. Now it's actually on my laptop. Now from here, I'm going to go to Canva, create a design, and from there I will upload the image I've just saved to my laptop. And once again, this design was originally in Design Space. So I'm going to click my uploads. I'm going to upload a file. There she is. Open, upload, and there you have it. So you can take your images from Design Space, save them onto your device, and upload it to whatever software you want to do. In Cricut Design Space, this image was 2 pieces, but it's been uploaded and saved as 1, which is perfectly fine. If I wanted to save it as 2 separate pieces, I would just do the whole thing again and just separate them before I save them. And then I can do my layering or whatever else that I want to do. But for the purpose of this video, I just kept it together to show you that it is possible to take your images out of Cricut Design Space and put them onto your actual computer, iPad, or any tablet, and use it outside of that software. Now it's saved as a PNG. It's not saved as an SVG because we know in Design Space, unlike Silhouette, you cannot create SVGs. But you can take your images out and upload it to Silhouette Studio, to Inkscape, to Adobe Illustrator, and create SVGs from there. So I hope this video helped you out, and happy crafting!